Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today is my final on the left coast model builds over there with Paul, and this is my final on it, and as you guys can see, it looks a lot better now than how it did before. So it was a fun, I like it now that it's all nice, painted and shiny and glossy and the whole 9 yards. And just, you know, your normal, stripped it down, repainted it. It's got a few coats of paint, and I think it's got 4 coats of blue and another 4 coats of clear. And the interior, I left it white. I was talking to Paul and we were just talking over the phone and texting and everything else, and I was like, you know, I kind of want to do white, but just not too out there. So I just used regular, it was glossy white, but I just used like a flat clear, just kind of tone it down and look, make it look like it's a leather. So the underneath, oh, and I'd include the front wheels, just because I could just do a little pose and take off the wheels and leave it up high like that. And the only thing I need to do is just the tail lights. I need to paint them. I ran out of, actually the paint that I have is just, it dried on me because I haven't used it in a while. And this is the only downfall I don't like about the 63 is that you gotta paint the tail lights. If it was me, I would have preferred just like the 64 and 65, that it comes with the clear red lights. And hopefully, you know, if they repop this kit, they can improve that. And that's the only thing that I didn't really like about this kit. And so yeah, you could actually pose it. Sorry guys, it's not giving it's not really focusing, but and the underneath, I repainted everything, and then back here I put I deleted the gas tank and put a little a gift card and just cut it around it, just so I can have that effect of the car just sitting on the ground. I don't understand why this thing is not focusing. But oh, that looks a lot better, right? Okay, so yeah, and if you guys remember, I told you guys that it was just kind of like a curbside kit, but I was just kind of going through it and I was like, I don't know. So I did put an engine on it. So it has an engine. It's just a 409. If you get, I think I mentioned it on the last video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing too fancy. It was a fun rebuilder, my own rebuilder. So it looks a lot nicer, way better than before. And now I'm looking at all the kits. It's like, what can I improve? But for now, I'll just let it be the way this thing sits. And if anything, if I get my hands on another engine, I might just do something else a little bit bigger or biffier, or something with more horsepower, so I could just really go down the street and, you know, burn some of these tires. All right guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing the videos. See you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.